This 2022 Forest River Impression 290VB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 36 feet 8 inches in length and features a Paramount interior, sleeps 10, TV antenna, smoke detector, air conditioning, skylight, self-contained, water heater, external shower, refrigerator, oven, spare tire kit, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Impression 290VB is 8,895 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.